This is a quick overview of Maswik Lodge, which, with 280 rooms, is the largest and most frequently visited motel near the Rim. Although its history dates back to 1926, the current Maswik North dates to 1976, and the new Maswik South was built in 2022. The reception building has a food court, gift shop, and pizza pub, and was built in the early 1980s. All Maswik rooms are standard American motel style in two-story buildings with 2 queen beds or a king, a full bath and air conditioning. Most have a back porch. They all have cable TV, a room safe, 1-cup coffee maker, ironing board and iron, refrigerator, and importantly, easily accessible parking. Parking can be a real problem at the other lodges. None of the rooms are right on the Rim, but all are a 5 to 10-minute walk away. Maswik South rooms are the more expensive of the two, offering indoor hallways, elevators, and kitchenettes with an upcharge. More on rates and discounts later. Other than the kitchenettes, no other Maswik rooms have microwaves and cooking is prohibited. Maswik South rooms have concrete floors, but noise still intrudes from neighbors and the hallways. Let's take a quick tour of a Maswik South 2-queen room. Right inside the door is a closet with a safe, suitcase jack, some hangers, ironing board and iron, some storage shelves and dresser drawers, a small refrigerator, 1-cup coffee maker, and 4 nice mugs. Adjoining rooms are available if you have a big family. A nice table for enjoying yourself, flat screen TV. All of the Maswik South rooms have this nice porch, whether upstairs or down. Heater and air conditioning, 2 queen beds, abundant USB plugs. There is a full bath, a tub nice for soaking after you've been hiking. And one interesting factor, the toilets use recycled water, which often results in yellow water in the toilet. Something that makes me think my mom might rise from the grave and tell me to flush. They also have these barn-style doors on the restrooms. Perhaps some people think the newness of Maswik South rooms and the extra cost makes them better value, but I don't. I prefer the rooms at Maswik North. They've been updated more recently than the build date of Maswik South, and they're very similar in interior appearance. But the North rooms have a bit more floor space. Important to me as a hiker, the North rooms are closer to the canyon and to the Bright Angel trailhead. Plus, North rooms have exterior entrances that reduces noise and people lingering in the hall. North rooms do have wooden floors, so second floor rooms are quieter, plus they have vaulted ceilings, something not available in South. I only stay in second floor rooms. Let's take a look at the Maswik North rooms. Similar in design to the South, they do have more floor space, air conditioning, 2 queen beds, updated with multiple USB plugs, small refrigerator, flat screen TV, a sitting area. Most but not all of the Maswik North rooms have rear porches. Very pleasant place to enjoy a snack or a cold beer after a hard hike. The second floor rooms have these nice vaulted ceilings, giving a lot more airspace, and there's more floor space in these rooms as well. I do some stretching in the morning. I bring a stretching mat, and it's nice to have the space for that kind of stretching. There's a safe, suitcase jack, iron and ironing board, more coat hangers than in Maswik South, some more counter space, 1-cup coffee maker, a standard bath with a cast iron tub, great for soaking after a hard hike. These have windows, and one nice feature that I like, they don't use recycled water in the toilets, so no yellow water in the toilets. North rooms also have a separate sink and bathroom area, which allows one guest to shave while another showers, something not available in South. Plus, North thermostats allow you to leave the fan running to mask noise from other guests, while South room fans turn off automatically. Finally, North rooms are less expensive. Current full-price room rates at North are $385 a night with 6.9% tax, or $411.56 for a standard room. South rooms are $435 plus tax, or about $465, a $53 a night difference. South kitchenette rooms are $530 a night, or $556.57 with tax. Please note, if you're paying full price during peak season, you might want to consider Bright Angel cabins at $265 a night, or about $285 with tax. Luckily, Maswik rooms are the most frequently discounted in the park, and you can get north rooms for as low as $96, south $132, and $160 for a south kitchenette, all plus taxes and fees. I'm paying $96 a night for this room in early March 2026. So that's a quick overview of Maswik Lodge, the most frequently visited lodge near the South Rim and the place I stay most frequently. I have longer videos about these rooms if you're interested. And please remember, the reason for your visit is the spectacular Grand Canyon itself. Hopefully you'll spend most of your time outdoors and only visit your room for rest. I hope you enjoy your visit, and thank you for watching.